Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn some tricks about the tool's usage. All the tools in TwistedBrush are placed on the toolbar. To use the tool, you have first to select it. Adjust the parameters for it. Click and drag on your canvas. The Escape, Control, Shift and Alt keys give special control when using tools. At any time while defining a tool area, the Escape key can be used to cancel the action. This is useful, for example, if you start a crop action and decide you don't want to crop. At any time during a tool usage you can press and hold the Control key and move your cursor to adjust the starting position of a tool. For example, if you start drawing a rectangle and then press and hold the Control while dragging on the canvas, you will move its position. At any time during a tool usage you can press and hold the Shift key and the area being defined will be constrained to a square or circle depending on the tool. For example, if you select the rectangle tool and hold the Shift key while creating it, you will get a square. And with the ellipse tool, the result will be a circle. If you hold the Alt key during a tool usage, the area being defined will be determined using the starting position of the tool usage as the center rather than the upper left corner. At any time during a tool usage you can press and hold the spacebar to hide the coordinate information. By default, all the tools are used by clicking and holding the left mouse button. With all the tools, except for the brush tool, the right mouse button will function as the brush tool. Therefore the brush tool is always available regardless of the tool you have selected. If you want, you can change the active mouse button from the Preferences option in the Edit menu. Uncheck the left mouse button for Tools option and click OK. Now, you will use the tools with your right mouse button and the left will function as the brush tool. For most of the tools, there is a shortcut key that can be used for easier selection. Hover the mouse over a tool and you will see the shortcut key for it next to its name. Dynamic tool selection allows for quickly switching to a different tool as long as the shortcut key is held down. Once the shortcut key is released, the previous tool will be selected again. For example, select the color picker tool. Now, press and hold the U key, which is the shortcut for the rectangle tool. While continuing to hold the U key, you can freely use the rectangle tool. Once you release it, the color picker will become the active tool again. To select a tool with a shortcut key in non-dynamic mode, just press the key quickly once normally. Now, the rectangle tool is the active tool.